Is Dad gonna eat? Is Dad gonna eat Charlie? Is he? Thanks, mate, for leaving me covered in bird wax. Where you going? Dad was having a chomp on you because I'm hungry. Dad's not eating today and he wants to eat Charlie. Dad want to eat Charlie. Nom, 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 nom. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kissing. I haven't got anything. Kiss, kiss. Oh, Charlie, Dad hasn't got anything. Not for you, anyway. Got some peanut butter cups upstairs. Do you want me to go get one? You can't get on my head. Oh, the little choo-choo. Chum. Chum, 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 chum. Where you going now? Bark. Dark. Quick step. Oh, the little baby. Is it Charlie, my little baby? Is Charlie, my little baby? Are we having some dad and baby time? Ah. Are we having some Charlie time? Are we? Oh, he's a pretty little baby. No jumping on Dad's poorly ear where you bit me last night because you bloody hurt. Isn't it? You're going to be a nice boy. Dad's got a poorly finger. Hey, I'm going to be a good boy. Are we done on the old camera set? Oh no.